So in this video we will learn how to design a WordMark logo for luxury or premium brand. So as already discussed in our previous videos, WordMark logo is typography based logo, and most of the WordMark logos are created by using or manipulating typography or different fonts. Other techniques also include calligraphy or typographic lettering. In this video, I will use technique to use sans serif font and then convert it into luxury serif style logo. So let's start. For this video, I have chosen fake name as Prime Properties. So first I will write down the word Prime and make several copies of it. Now click the font option, then click filter and choose serif category with thin properties. Now assign different fonts to each category. You can download free fonts from fonts.google or other websites. So I have selected Segoe font to try first. Now select the typography, right click and click on create outline. Select the rectangle tool, draw a square equal to the width of bar. Now place the square at top and bottom of fonts. Copy the design before moving forward to next step. Select overall design and go to Pathfinder tool, click on Unite. Now the typography and square will be merged into single shape. So our first concept is ready. Make another copy. Select these anchor points while using direct selection tool and use Bezier to create beautiful curves. The art does not seem to fit with design. So I will add the same square at its bottom right, and again while using Pathfinder tool, join it, then create curves using Bezier. So our second defined concept is ready. Now for another concept, I will use the design copy with the squares. Remove all squares, select anchor point of one square by using direct selection tool. Click this minus sign to convert it into triangle shape. Place the triangle at the points where squares were placed earlier. Follow the same process discussed earlier. So our two main concepts are ready and we need to add the word property. I chose the Montserrat font for this word. Place the property word under Prime. Click Ctrl or Command T to open typography properties. Set the tracing value at 150 and hit enter. And now adjust the kerning between text. Now we will make another logo variation. Make a copy of design, select the main text, right click and then isolate selected group. Reduce the size of words excluding word P. Try to incorporate the word properties in the space created at top right. Follow the same process for second concept. So our two concepts with two variations are ready, and it's time for presentation. To give it luxury feel, I used golden color. So I hope this video will be helpful and let me know about the concept you like most. In next video we will design another WordMark logo while using different technique. So stay connected and share our content with your friends. Thanks.